Today in this video I will share with you how you can change or reduce background image opacity without affecting your text. Here you can see the difference. So let's check out how we can do that. Here I create one folder and add one image in it. I will open with Sublime Text Editor. First we will create an HTML. I will take one div tag and give class name .bk. Inside div I will take one h1 tag and write some text. Here our HTML part is complete. Now we will move to CSS. Here I will use internal CSS, so I will write all CSS in style tag. First of all, I will do all margin and padding 0 using universal operator. Then I will style h1 and give it some CSS properties. After that, we will style class name .bk and add our background image and set image height, width, etc. Now I will use here before after pseudo selector to reduce background image opacity. I will copy my code here and paste it. I will add background RGBA color. Now our image opacity will be changed. Then I will give position relative to h1, so opacity won't affect our text. Now you can see here this look good. I hope this video will solve your problem. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.